In this demonstration, we'll show you how to reconcile bank accounts using Dynamics 365 Business Central. In this scenario, we'll show you how to link a bank account. Then, once that account's been linked, we'll establish an automatic import. And then we'll go through the day in the life of matching transactions and then reconciling the bank accounts and bank statements. So the first step we'll do is to link the bank account. So while logged into Dynamics 365 Business Central, I'll select bank accounts. And you'll see here I don't have any today linked. So I'll go ahead and say, let me go ahead and link the bank account. We provide a list of accounts that you can search through, or you can choose the ones already on your screen here. So we'll go ahead and type in search. And happens to be the bank account that we use for our organization. I'll enter in the account details, my login and password, and I'll go ahead and select next. And so it sees all the accounts. It's successfully linked to my bank account, and I'll click OK. And now you see I brought in my bank accounts, my checking, savings, and debit. So again, the next step would be to establish an automatic bank import. So if I want to import bank statements as feeds after I've enabled that service, and then the payment reconciliation journal will then automatically detect your bank feeds when you choose to import the transactions. So let's go ahead and from the bank statement service, go ahead and set up that feed. You'll see how many days that I want to include to repeat or to import that feed, and it's enabled. And that's it. And now I have a linked account with the auto feed set up. Now I obviously need to reconcile my account, my receivables and payable accounts by applying payments recorded in the bank to their related unpaid invoices and credit memos or other open entries in Business Central. So I would do that performance in the payment reconciliation journal. So under cash management, the payment reconciliation journal, I'll open up my checking. And so you'll see here from this window, I immediately see the level of confidence that the application has in terms of matching these entries. And again, the confidence level is driven by the transaction amount, the date, the description, or the text. So we'll go ahead and select process here, and I can post. And I want to make sure before I, just to review these transactions before I go ahead and post those. So I get a PDF output that I can preview on my screen just before I go through the reconciliation. And so again, the goal here is to provide users with a single location to perform all the bank reconciliation tasks. At this point, we would typically process payments and the reconciliation bank accounts. So it's month-end close. It's time to reconcile the bank accounts with the ledger entries. I'll open up that transaction here. And again, from here, I'll select OK and close that out. So in this demonstration, the goal was to demonstrate just the ability of the automate the banking within Dynamics 365. The benefits, remove the need for some of the manual entry, be able to stay current with your bank accounts.